Lakefront living with a gently breeze or enjoy a warm Christmas around a fire pit or chimneys on the deck. Lakehome on a quiet, serene Island Subdivision. This lovely lake house is fronting on a beautiful oxbow lake, Falls River. The home was completely updated in 2017, including the installation of a professionally engineered flood mitigation system. The lakefront views are outstanding. It has a spacious boathouse, with a large deck over the water, and 2 boat compartments with powered lifts. Plus, 1 additional boat compartment. All with full access walkways. Also, it has a separate boat slip from the main road driveway, which makes it unique with complete lake accommodations. This seawall is a lifetime vinyl sheet piling, as 400 rigid gray shore guard. The house has a covered patio deck, plus additional decks with built-in benches. The home was completely updated in 2017, including the installation of a professionally engineered flood mitigation system.